Welcome. If you want to adjust the ringtone volume in your iPad mini 2021, at first you have to go for the settings, next click sounds and find ringtone and the alerts. So right now you can move this dot on the right or the left, so we can increase or decrease volume level of your ringtone. You can also make it by activate this option, and then you can you can adjust by tapping on volume up or volume down buttons. So yeah, as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.